my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in this video I want to share with you my 2 Boxycharm boxes that I got this month, and I got 2 because every 3 months I get the regular box replaced by, I'm not sure if it's the premium or the luxe. I always get them confused. So but this month I got the luxe and the premium, and one of them replaces the regular box, so you might see some variances in from my box to the regular box, the one that everybody got. As you can tell, I don't have any makeup on. All I have is my tinted moisturizer by ColourPop, just in case. There should be some eyeshadow palettes or some other makeup in the boxes that I might even test with you or put on today, so that's why I don't have any makeup on. I'm gonna start with the bigger box first. This, I think it's the luxe one. Yeah, so you guys know the drill. You know what it looks like. It's a really big box, bigger box, and it's quite heavy. So I think they're both $35. Then I think they're $35. They're not like the $25 one that comes every month, because it's a little bit bigger and it's supposed to be with more items and more expensive items. And luckily this the boxes this time did come with a card, which I'm very happy, because the past 2 or 3 boxes they weren't coming with a card, and that was really disappointment. So I'm very happy that they sent it to me with the card. This month's theme is, as you might know already, is the Oasis, and this box brings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 full-size items. At the end I'm going to add them up and see and show you what the retail value is. Instead of going in the order of the box, I'm going to go in order of the card, so I won't go crazy. Let me take out all these papers. They're going to go to the trash anyways. Ooh. Let me just show you what it looks like inside. Oops, there's a bunch of stuff. I see an eyeshadow palette. I see a big item. Really nice. So the first thing in the card is by Kylie Skin. I've never used this one in particular. I'm reading the ingredients here, and then all the ingredients look fine. I want to try it out just to see, and I'll let you guys know if I had any reaction to it. But I know the bottle is really nice. I know the packaging is really nice, and I'm a sucker for pretty packaging. It's really nice packaging with a clear bottle, and the pink is not my favorite color, but I do appreciate it. And it's ironic because I'm wearing pink earrings, but I do like the packaging. And let me see if it smells like anything. It just smells very fresh. Yeah, very fresh. A very fresh scent, and that's nice. Let me wipe it off. That one, the retail value is $24. It says it's a luxurious foamy face wash infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. I'll definitely give it a try. And it smells nice. It smells really clean, very fresh. The second item on the card is a Touch in Sol, S-O-L, No Problem Prime Essence. Nice play of words there. This is what it looks like. Its retail value is $23. It's with Calendula officinalis flower extract. It says that it's supposed to, it minimizes pores and smooth skin texture. Use it on its own or pair with No Problem Primer to create the perfect blank canvas for your next killer look. I already have moisturizer on, otherwise I would have tried this. But it's a primer, so let me see what the texture is like. Oh, it's very jelly-like. It's not thick at all, and it seems that it's absorbed really pretty good by the skin, and it has like a very slight fresh scent, which I appreciate as well. Nice. And it says it's good for your pores, which I'm up for that. Retail value $23. So right here with 2 items, that's it. You got the value of what you pay for the box. That's why I love Boxycharm. Sometimes the items are hit or miss, but you do get the value of the box, what you pay for. Next item, I'm trying to look for it. I'm sorry I'm delaying. I just can't find it. Should be this little blue box. Yeah, Tula skincare. A lot of skincare. That's nice. A combination of skin and makeup. That's good. It's a Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Retail value is $28. It says delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized, so you can glow and get it. So this is what it looks like. Really cute packaging, really nice color. It has a really a distinct smell that I don't know what it is. but I will definitely try it. It has watermelon fruit extract, lentil fruit extract, apple fruit extract. I'm trying blueberry fruit extract. I'm trying to see what that smell is, that fragrance. It doesn't have any fragrances that I can tell, just those those fruit extracts. Really nice. Okay, next thing on the card is a Tarte's Pro Amazonian clay palette. Some of Tarte's makeup is really good, like the Shape Tape. Oh my god, I love that, the Shape Tape. So this is the eyeshadow palette, and it's really pretty. Very, I don't want to say pretty, it's like very sleek, very nice looking, and it's it feels heavy, and it has a huge mirror, which you could tell right here. It has a huge mirror, and the shades, I love the way that their eyeshadow smells. It's like smelling chocolate. Look at those. I'm trying to see without getting the mirror to bother you. Look at those shades, really pretty. Maybe I could play around with this eyeshadow palette. Maybe I'll try it later. I'll try it at the end, just depending on what the other box brings. Next thing is, okay, in the box, in the card, is a water bottle, a stainless steel bottle. I already have one, but I don't mind having another one. I like it's like matte, and it's like gray and white, like marble. Really nice. It says here, they feature triple layered vacuum insulated construction designed to keep beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. Made from 18/8 food grade stainless steel with superior construction that allows for refilling and using easily to reduce the need for single use plastic water bottles. Hand wash only. Retail value $35. I already owned a stainless steel one, but it's this one's, yeah, about the same size. Maybe it's a little bit bigger, I don't know, but it's nice. I like stainless steel. I also have one that it's made out of glass, but I don't mind having another one. I could always give it to my husband or my mom. Okay, very nice. So we have skincare, we have makeup, and we have some lifestyle items, products. Me likey. The $1 Billion Brows Charcoal 5-piece brush set. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and synthetic brushes, charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect, allowing for flawless makeup and eyeshadow application. Retail value $55. It is a set, brush set. So the box looks like. Let me take them out for you. So this is what the brush looks like. Let me take them out of the plastic. It's light. It's not heavy. Light. And it feels really nice. I mean, for $55, they better be nice, right? So it comes with a face brush, a powder brush, powder brush. This is like a contour brush, a concealer brush. This must be the powder eyeshadow brush, and the highlighter brush. Highlighter is a little bit small, but it's usable. I could use it. Very nice. I like this. I like brushes. And it feels really nice. And they're sturdy. Lightweight, but sturdy. Kind of match the Tarte eyeshadow palette. Very nice. I say very nice like every 5 seconds. Okay, next item on there's two more. Is the Pure Heals. Oh, this one's I'm really excited about because I love honey and anything to do with bees. This is the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. An enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated, sensitive skin. Very nice. Looking over the ingredients really quick. Towards the end, in the middle towards the end, it does have orange peel oil, lemon peel oil, lavender oil. Some people might be sensitive to that. I am not, but I'm just letting you guys know. There's a lot of extracts here. Aloe vera, and has Camino gardenia, a bunch of nice stuff. It has niacinamide, which is also a good oil. It has a good ingredient. It has castor oil, safflower oil. Okay, the first ingredient is propolis extract. Second ingredient, glycerin. Third ingredient, aloe vera. Aloe leaf extract, So that's really good. The first ingredient is propolis, because sometimes you see products, I know this happens to you, that they tell you, oh, this and that extract, and then it's like the 20th ingredient in the list. So it probably has very small, insignificant amounts, but this one is the first ingredient, so it must be good. It's made in Korea. I love Korean skincare. Oh, it smells so nice. I can smell it when you open the jar. You like, look at that. It's like having some honey in your face. It's like very, very gelatiny. Oh, very nice. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm just like I love honey and propolis and everything that has to do with bees. And it comes with a little spoon, but nowhere to put it. I'll be careful I don't lose that. And then next item, last item, is a Bodyography lip pencil. Oh, the sleeping mask, the retail value is $55. The next item is a Bodyography lip pencil set, Pouty and Rosewood. It's two lip pencils. Its retail value is $28. It says antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. Ooh, they look like really pretty shades. I'm gonna swatch them real quick. They're pencils. They're not they're like the pencils that you sharpen, which I'm not a huge fan, but they do glide really nice and they apply really nicely. I want to do my makeup at the end when I open the other box to see if there's anything else there that I want to try at the same time. So that's it for this box. That's a lot of items, you guys, for one box. I'm going to add the retail value now and let you guys know how much is in there. Give me just 1 second. I'll be right back. So the retail value for this box is $297. So even if I paid $35, I think it was $35. Even if it's $50, whatever, I got $297 worth of things. It's amazing. I forgot to mention that, I think I didn't mention that the Tarte Tartea's Pro Emulsifiing Clay Palette is $49 retail value. So the most expensive item in the box was the two most expensive items in the box, because they're both $55, was the sleeping mask and the 5-piece brush set. Really nice for almost $300 value. I like it. Let me put this aside for 1 second and I'm going to open the other box to show you guys. I haven't opened it. I don't know what's inside. I'm expecting another eyeshadow palette. This one came first in the mail, and then the other one came the next day. But I just want to see, like, show you how the box came. That's how they dropped it off. I'm not blaming it on Boxycharm. I'm just saying the post office, like I just think it's UPS or FedEx or something. They just threw it. They threw it around or something. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Again, it does bring a card, which I'm very happy about. I see it. Also, it's Oasis. It does bring a card. Very happy for that. But I already see an item that I don't like and I'm not going to use and I'm going to give away. But I'm still going to show you. Let me go in the order that the card goes so I don't go crazy. Two items here that I'm not going to use. So, okay. The first item is a Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I already own one. But I'm going to keep it so when I run into the other I have a backup. This is really good, you guys. I love Glow Recipe. Their products are really nice. This one's retail value is $49. And in case you haven't seen it, let me open it up. What it looks like. I love their packaging. It's so cute. This is the Avocado Sleeping Mask. The next item is a Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Retail value is $44. You guys see my videos. You know I'm not a fan of Too Faced for personal reasons. But I'm still going to open this to show you. Their packaging is always great. It's always beautiful. I gotta give that to them. It's very pretty, very fancy looking, very nice. Looks like a little wallet. Oh, it smells good. And this is what it looks like. I don't use Tarte for personal reasons. I don't like the company, but I don't think, and I may be wrong, this is my opinion and you might not agree with me and I respect everybody's opinion, but I find that their products are very pretty, very beautiful. Their packaging is gorgeous, but their products, their formula is not that good. So I don't like to use them. But it is beautiful packaging. Beautiful packaging. I'll give that away to somebody. Next item are the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. As you guys know, I don't use lashes, so that's something else that I might give out. This is what it looks like. Very cute packaging. Really cute. They're very pretty. I gotta say, they're very pretty. They're very fanned out. They look gorgeous, and the packaging is really pretty. This one's retail value is $14.99. Next item in the box is KVD Vegan Beauty Ink Well Longwear Matte Eyeliner. That's another brand that I don't use and I'm gonna give away. I used to like Kat Von D, but not anymore for personal reasons, and I'm not gonna go into it in this video. But I just want to show you what I got in the box. So it's an eyeliner, black. There's two more. There's a $1 Billion Brow Sculpting Dual Brush. It goes well with the other brushes that I got in the other box. I do like the concept of having two brushes in one because it saves time. But then when you put them, I put all my brushes in a cup, in a box. It's kind of like it's gonna be hitting whatever side I do. It's gonna be hitting the bottom of the, like, you know what I mean? It's gonna bend the hairs. So, but I do like the idea of having two in one because that way you save space. Like if you're gonna travel, you already have 2 brushes in one, and it goes it's the same brand, so now I have more to go, more with a set. Okay, last item is a by Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Retail value is $22. Oh, by the way, the brush retail value is $30. Which I find interesting. This was $55 and it's 5 brushes and only 1 brush. Okay, let's say it's 2 brushes. It's $30. Kind of expensive, but it is what it is. So this is a shower gel, Skin & Co. Roma Sardinian Spirit, with notes are Sardinian Mirto, lemongrass, and wild orange. The Italian collection, limited edition, made in Italy. Very nice. Ooh, it's very orangey, very citrusy, but I like it. Oh, it has a hint of like, I'm trying to figure out what that smell is. I think it's like honey. Let me see the ingredients. And water, verbena leaf extract, orange flower extract, rosemary, sage, cucumber, lavender. Oh, it might be the mix of the lavender and the sage. Oh, it smells really nice. I know some people don't like the citrusy smell, and it's not good for the skin. It irritates your skin, but I don't mind it, and I could try it out, and if it dries my skin then I'll stop using it. But it's a nice I like the packaging. The picture is very simple, but I like it. This one is $22. So the total retail value of this box, let me add it for you guys. This one was $179.99. So we accountants like to round up. So $180, and the other one was like short of $300. I really liked it. This box, if I were to choose of the 2 boxes, I like the first box better because it had more stuff. Nice mix of skincare and makeup and lifestyle. This one, there's 3 things here that I'm not gonna use. I'm not gonna use the lashes, and I'm not gonna use the Kat Von D, the KVD vegan whatever. It says KVD on the box, but it says Kat Von D. It says KVD vegan beauty on the card, but then it's Kat Von D on the box. So like those people don't make up their minds. Like, are you one or the other? So and the Tarte palette I'm not gonna, sorry, the Too Faced palette I'm not gonna use, and I already own one of this, so it's just having a backup, so that's not bad. But the first box definitely was, for me, my preference was better. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the eyeshadow palette and the lip liner and just get any other lip gloss. I'll be right back. So here I am, I'm back. I tried on the Tarte eyeshadow palette and the lip liner, and I just filled out my lips with some Gerard Cosmetics. And the boxes didn't come with mascara, so I put on some Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is like one of my favorite mascaras so far. And what I gotta say about the eyeshadow palette is like the shades are really pretty and it smells really nice. I find it a little bit hard to use. I love the way it smells. A little bit hard to use. I use this shade right here for a base, and then here I use this one for my outer corner of my eyes, and then I use this one for my inner corner. They're nice shades, and they have a lot of pigmentation, like when you go on the finger. Like this is the shimmer one. It is very a nice shade, but then when you apply it to the eyes, like you have to put on a lot, and there is some fallout. It's not my favorite eyeshadow palette, but it's not bad. I would use this again. I'll play around with it more, and I love the way it smells and like the way it feels. It's very sturdy, very nice looking, very nice mirror, so I like that. Of all the things I received today, I also used the brushes, and they're okay, and the lip pencil was okay. I think my favorite item would be probably the sleeping mask and the pore thing for your pores. I have to still use it, but just the idea of it really has me excited, so I can't wait to try it. So yeah, I'm gonna put down the links down below if you're interested in Boxycharm. If you're not subscribed to Boxycharm yet, I will put in the link. It's an affiliated link, or a link with a discount. I would like to know your comments and questions. I love to hear from you guys, so please leave me your questions and comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notified of future videos. I really appreciate that. I have a few more boxes to open for you guys to show you, so please stay tuned for that. Very, very excited and anxious to share them with you. I want to give you my wholeheartedly thanks for watching me, and I hope to see you next time in a future video. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.